How to delete Flight Club account. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you will learn how you can delete Flight Club account, and here is how to go about it. So let's go. The first step is to log in into your Flight Club account, just like I have done here. And so once you're logged in and you're brought to the home page, you'll see your account settings. You would see different things on the same page. And so once you can see this, move to the top right corner where you can see your account tab. Click on it, and in the drop down menu, select support. This is because for you to delete your account, you would have to reach out to the support arm, the customer support arm of Flight Club. And once you're on this page, you'll see the option for you to search by keyword, such that articles would be displayed for you to read and then know how to sort out your know how to delete your account. Okay, but if you don't want to go through that, just move to the top right corner, click on submit request. And so on the submit a request page, just go ahead and enter in your email address here, type in the subject of the email of this request, then select if you're a buyer or you're a seller, then enter in the order number if there is. For this particular issue, there is no need for an order number. So describe your issue. Then if you want to add files, a screenshot of your account or something, you can do that, but it's not necessary. Then click on submit in order to submit your account deletion request. And then after submitting it, a verification code will be sent, or link will be sent to you to verify if truly you are the account owner. And so after your account has been verified, you wait for a while, and then your account would be deleted by Flight Club themselves. So that is how you can delete your account. Okay, so just go through these procedures and your account will be permanently deleted. Thank you and have a good day.